Hello, what's your name?
My name is Jalan Jivan.
Okay. You have received a letter?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. It's a nice letter.
Yes.
That's good. What do you think that is? It's a big house in Oslo. Oslo is the capital of Norway. It's the biggest city in Norway, Oslo. And that's an opera house where they sing. They like to sing in that house. Do you like to sing?
Huh?
Do you like to sing?
No.
No, you don't like to sing. Okay. Okay. What is your name? Amud.
Uriba.
Okay. Can you read the letter? You try?
Yes.
Yes? You have to hold it, I believe. You know what this is?
Read it.
Has everybody received one?
Yes.
Very good.
Okay, you don't want to. You can read.
Born 21st February 1937 is the King of Norway.
Very good.